Every structure carries a purpose, but with time, changing environments, and increasing demands, even the strongest infrastructure can become vulnerable. At the Faculty of Civil Engineering, UiTM Shah Alam, the 3R Research Interest Group is advancing solutions in rehabilitation, repair, and retrofitting, making structures safer, more sustainable, and more resilient. Our mission is to conduct leading research that extends the service life of construction structures through practical, comprehensive, and effective engineering solutions. Our multidisciplinary expertise spans sustainable materials and green construction, structural rehabilitation and retrofitting, infrastructure resilience and environmental assessment, as well as knowledge transfer and industry engagement. Supported by a dedicated team of researchers and associate members, 3R transforms engineering challenges into meaningful research outcomes. Our work includes fibre-reinforced concrete for structural rehabilitation, where innovative materials are developed to strengthen and restore damaged structural components. We are also designing sustainable modular portable forest bridges, lightweight and practical systems that can improve accessibility while reducing environmental impact. For critical infrastructure, our researchers investigate subsea pipelines through experimental studies and predictive modeling. Meanwhile, long-term studies on creep and shrinkage help us better understand the performance of concrete bridges over time. Bridge safety is further enhanced through structural health monitoring. By combining ambient vibration testing, operational modal analysis, finite-element modeling, and modal updating, we can evaluate structural behavior and support informed maintenance decisions. These technologies allow engineers to detect changes, understand structural performance, and make better decisions before minor concerns become major problems. But our impact goes beyond the laboratory. Through sharing sessions, guest lectures, webinars, and knowledge transfer programs with local and international partners, we connect research with communities, universities, and industry. By sharing our expertise, we help transform research findings into knowledge that creates real-world value. Our achievements and awards reflect the dedication, collaboration, and innovative spirit of the 3R team. They represent not only recognition, but also our continued commitment to research excellence and impactful engineering solutions. At 3R, we do more than repair structures. We strengthen resilience, extend possibilities, and build confidence in the infrastructure of tomorrow. Bring your curiosity. Build the future with us. From curiosity to innovation, your postgraduate journey starts with 3R.